Hello, welcome to Martinmade. My name's Stephanie and today I'm making pad thai. One dish that I have to say is probably one of my favorite to eat when we go out is pad thai. I like to try new Thai restaurants. Probably 3 to 4 years ago, my husband and I decided we wanted to try making pad thai at home, but we wanted something as close to authentic as we could get. Now, I'm not saying that this recipe is authentic because I have never sat down with somebody who's from Thailand and who makes this all the time, and there are ingredients I know that we can't get here that they get there. And so I'm not at all saying that this is authentic, but I am saying it's the closest that I could come to what I was looking for. And so this dish is one of my favorite to make. It is not the fastest meal to make. So if you're looking for a super quick meal, this can take some time, and it also can make a huge mess. So if you're looking for something that's kind of on the mess-free side as well as something that is super fast, this is probably not the dish you want to make right now. But I encourage you to try this. It is great. There are so many things that you can adjust to your liking. I love spicy food. My husband likes semi-spicy food. He's kind of more on the between mild and medium spice. I'm kind of on the hot spice. Like that's kind of where I like it. I don't even mind it a little closer to medium even. But the problem with spicy food sometimes is it doesn't usually have a great flavor. And that's what I love about Thai food as well as Indian food. It usually is spicy, but it usually tastes amazing. And that's the kind of food I like to be spicy. So anyway, let's get into this video and I hope you enjoy.
So starting off, I put some water on to boil for the rice noodles, and then I got the meat cooking. I used about 1 to 2 chicken breasts, and I just chop them up into pieces and fry them until they are completely cooked. Now for the sauce, I use half a cup of sugar, 1/8 of a cup of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, half a cup of white vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of tamarind sauce. Then I mix everything together and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, keep it at a boil until the sauce starts to thicken, and once it's starting to get thick, you can set it aside. Now for the eggs and meat, I add 1½ teaspoons of garlic and fry it until it's aromatic, and then I add in 4 eggs and cook those until they are just about done. Now when the eggs get close to being done, that's when you're going to add your chicken, and you're going to mix it together until the eggs finish cooking. Now it's time to add the sauce, as well as 1½ tablespoons of sugar and 1½ teaspoons of salt. Mix well, and then add your rice noodles. Make sure when you cook your rice noodles, they're not completely cooked because you want them to fry up here. Then you can add half a cup of crushed peanuts, a handful of bean sprouts, as well as 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and a little bit of cayenne pepper and paprika. Stir that together really well, cover and let it cook for just a few minutes. You just want the bean sprouts to be tender. That's what you're looking for here, and that's it.
I hope you were inspired to try this at home. I have worked probably 3 to 4 years. My husband thinks it's been longer. I'm not quite sure. The years just slip away from you. But probably close to 4 years, we've been trying to perfect this recipe to what we were wanting. And we have found what we were looking for. If you know some ingredients that would make it more authentic, I want to know. So comment down below with those comments. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And for those of you who are new to this channel, there is a red subscribe button down below. You can hit that red subscribe button, and there's also a bell next to it when you've subscribed. If you hit that bell, when I upload videos, you will be notified every time. So if you don't want that, that's okay. But I would love for you to join our YouTube family and subscribe, and as well as put a big thumbs up. So I will see you next time, and I hope you have a beautiful day. God bless. Bye.